Anybody can make a clothing line. Now, today I'm going to show you how you can do this on a couple of websites, but you need to know how. And it's actually really simple. So I don't know why not everyone is trying to build their own clothing brand, but I mean, not everyone has the creativity, which you actually don't even need now that I think about it. Let's get right into how you can create your own clothing line, and it's really simple. So just follow along. I'll quickly show you guys, and then you can start creating your own clothing line and promoting it and hopefully getting in some sales. So we're gonna start off by naming the site. So you can use anything, any print on demand site. You can use Printful, you can use Teespring, which is also now known as Spring, only Spring. But there's so many more. I think there's one called Redbubble. It really doesn't matter as long as you just in the area where you are find the products that's the cheapest in the first place, and then secondly it has to be good quality at least, and you can also, it has to obviously have the products that you want to be selling. So let's say you want to be selling mugs, and let's say Redbubble doesn't use or have mugs on it, then you can come to Teespring and you can use the mugs here. There's so much to choose from. I mean, new to spring, they're adding things weekly. You can now sell your own slides. Like, it's in South Africa it's called flip-flops or something like that. So pluckies. So there's crop hoodies, backpacks. You can now sell your own backpack designs, ebooks, black mug, iPhone clear case. Wow, you see? So wine tumbler. So there's so many things you can sell. You just have to be creative, create a brand, and start. So let's go over how you can create a brand. So first up, just naming it. I just go to brand name generator. You go to brand name generator. I was just using examples. So let's say for instance this one, I don't know how to pronounce that even. I just created it up. I said Winos. So I went here and I saw a couple of cool names like Winos Lux, Intel Winos. So then I saw this one, Don Wanos, and I was like, wow, that actually sounds pretty good. So I went to check, is the domain name available? You don't actually even need to buy a new domain unless you're going to be relisting these items on Shopify, which is just going to cost you extra. You can sell them literally from the websites like Spring itself. So it's all up to you. But anyway, let's go and let's see if this domain is available. So I click on Don Wanos or Winos, however you want to pronounce it. It's your company, it's up to you. donwanos.com. It is available. You can go and register it. You see, it's that easy. And let's say you're only going to be selling in South Africa, like me, then you go to .co.za. So it's that easy. But you don't need it. This is just to create the brand name, if you can't think of anything yourself. But me and my sister, we thought about a name ourselves. We thought about one for summer clothing. It's called Savora. So it's literally, you can just think of a brand name and create it. So how do you create designs that you put on your t-shirts? Well, it's really simple. You can go over to Fiverr and just type in t-shirt. You can set your budget to whatever your budget is. Let's say you only have $5 for a t-shirt design. Don't worry, there's people doing it. You can even do local sellers, but I'm not sure if there's going to be. Yeah, there is local sellers here in South Africa that does t-shirt designs. So just look at these amazing illustrations, and you can get that for only $5. So let's say I like, what do I like? Let's say I like this. I want to have a t-shirt design with some nice text on it. Then you can just go over here. You can go look at what he previously has done. It looks good. So why not just buy it for $5 if you can do it yourself? I can because I have Photoshop. So it's easy for me. I'm a graphic designer. So you can also, if you want me to design something, you can just literally go to my profile. It is in my, the link is in my description. It's just fiverr.com/Dian Bosman, same Dian Bosman 1, same as my YouTube, just with the 1 at the end. And then I can create some designs for you if you'd like, because I'm assuming you're watching this and you're trusting me. So maybe you're hesitant about other Fiverr sellers, but you're okay with me designing it. That's fine. Just contact me. I'll give you a price and I will design something for you. It's really that easy. So when you have a design, all you have to do is you have to go over to your website and you just add it onto something. So for instance, let's see, you can even use Canva and search t-shirt. There's so many custom designs that you can use. I mean, just look at that. Just look at this one. I saw another one. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, but this is for the pro version. So if you have Canva Pro, it's easier, but you can still use a lot of them in the free version. Okay, I found one. For instance, this. Let's say you like this design, but you don't like the text. You just edit the text to say whatever you like. I know the spelling, just don't mind it. It's just for the sake of this video. All you have to do is you have to go to share, I believe. Yes, no, yeah, download. You say PNG file. You can't really make it bigger or smaller. So all you have to do is click on download. Now, if you want to have a transparent background, you are going to have to edit it. You want to remove the background. Just use this one tool. It's basically the same as Photoshop, and you just press delete, save it as a PNG. Yes, save as. Then you just add image, add the image. Make sure it's fitted nicely. You don't need to pay someone to have the mug like professionally photographed. You can just use this mock-up. All you have to do is open image in a new tab, save the image, and there you go. You have an image product. Then you can edit it also in picture editing software like that Pixlr, but I am going to use Photoshop, obviously. So it's that easy, guys. I hope you guys understand. You can even, I don't know, I was going to use Google to have an example of a t-shirt print that you put on, so I can just do t-shirt design actually, and I'm just going to pick the first one that comes up. Okay, where should I? Okay, maybe t-shirt design PNG. For the marketing, then you go over on TikTok, you create a page. You go over on Instagram, you create a page with your logo. If you don't have a logo for your brand yet, once again, you can go over to my Fiverr or anybody else's Fiverr. You can just order a design for a logo. Then after that, all you have to do is add your images of the apparel that you are selling. If you want, you can order some samples for yourself, and then you can just do like your own promotional videos about it. You can send them to celebrities, make them do some nice videos with your apparel. You can brand it that way. It is going to cost a little bit of money if you are going to want to let celebrities help you grow the page, but it's super easy on TikTok to just grow organically if you just post a lot of times during the day. But you also have to be proud of your own brand. You have to be making sure that the people see that there is value in your clothing over buying something like, let's say, a big YouTuber like PewDiePie's merch, you see. So you have to have value behind yours. Sell a story, maybe not sell just the clothing, but sell a story with it. That's basically how you do it. You can create your own clothing brand this way. And just to show you guys, this is the design that this is the shop that I made for myself, because my TikTok is about financial literacy and just showing my journey across being an entrepreneur as a teen, making money, doing side hustles like these. I made this nice page, Asset Associates. You can see the t-shirts here, featured products, entrepreneur t-shirt, CEO, executive leader and visionary CEO that says cultivate every opportunity, with a nice crown on top. Designed that myself, by the way. Also, I am the hustle. You see, it has power in saying that. So wearing a hoodie like that, I mean, by the way, if you want, you can go to my shop. There's the link. You're probably not going to want to type it out, so I'll leave it in the description. That's all for this video. Side hustle South Africa number 4 complete. This is another side hustle that you can try, and I'm pretty sure if you just put in the work, you can be successful in it. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.